Now, upgrade works on the Labuan Vehicle and Passenger Ferry Terminal Jetty are set to commence on December 19th, with full completion expected by April 6, 2028. Public Works Department Director General Dato' Sri Roslan Ismail said the 20.3 million ringgit project has been awarded to Cita Global Lands Durian Berhad.
Sebagaimana dalam ucapan aluan saya tadi, antara skop projek menaik taraf Jetty ini ialah ia termasuk pelebaran ruang menunggu kenderaan, pembinaan kaunter tiket baru, perbaikan struktur rem utama, menaik taraf rem kedua, kerja-kerja penambakan, pembinaan ruang menunggu penumpang dan ruang pemeriksaan agensi-agensi, kerja-kerja naik taraf kawasan hard standing dan kerja-kerja yang berkaitan.
At the letter of acceptance handover ceremony on Thursday, Roslan said the existing jetty will remain operational during the upgrade, with temporary phase closures to ensure ferry services continue uninterrupted. The ferry terminal plays a strategic role as Labuan's main link to Sabah, supporting the movement of passenger vehicles, logistics and trade. The island is intended to enhance terminal efficiency and support the island's economic growth.